Hey guys, today we are going to be playing this game called, place a keyboard, whatever, place a keycap, I think, I don't know, but, yeah, let's go in. So I'm going to do it by myself, and I think I'm going to do easy. Start. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Sorry if you hear Descendants 5 in the back, because, I'm watching it, so, yeah. Sorry if my voice is, low, but, yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna do yellow first, so we're gonna collect these. I could only collect 5 at a time, so. Ooh, wait. Well, that's good that it put where I left off heads, but ooh, wait, that's wrong. Okay, now Z goes right there. R, oh, wait, these two have to switch. That's it. Alright, enter is right here. The S is here, the N. R shift, yeah, it's right here. And then R is up here. Okay. Let's go get the other stuff. Right here, this thing, this. Alright, that's all that I could grab. I think this whole side here, I got all of the pieces. I'll double check. So yeah. The period, the dot, or whatever, right there, back there. I, and then win, and then E. Okay. Yeah, I think the rest are over here. So, grab the W. Oopsies. This thing. This one. Okay. And there's 1, 2. Yeah, I think those are the 2 that's. Okay, so V goes right there. B goes there. A goes here. Q, W. Alright, we only have 2 more. Let's go grab them. I'm gonna turn it back on because it's very quiet in my room, so. Okay. This one and this one. But I kind of like it though. Oh my gosh, right. Okay. That goes there and you. Here's some ASMR. Oh wait, you can't hear it because I turned off the volume. It's okay. No. Okay. Next we have salmon pink. Salmon, whatever. Okay. With the enemy. Ugh. B. Oh, this is the wrong color. Let me just. Oh wait, what's that thing? It has 5 seconds. Open. Wait. What? I don't know. What was I supposed to do? Okay then. Okay, I have to get this color. Wait, no, what? Wait, what color is this over here? Oh, this thing's wrong. Wait. Okay, hold up. Oh, this is bubblegum pink. I think it's this one. Wait, let me see. It might actually be this one. Wait, let me put it on M. Yes, it's this one. So it's the color Soft Blush. Okay, this makes more sense now. Soft blush. Okay. Alright. This makes more sense. Alright, O up here. The R. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, I just put all those down. Okay. Here. Alright, okay. There. L-O is over here. G. Q. Okay. Oh, there's two right here. Oh, there's one here. Okay, let me see if that's all. Okay. P. Oh. P. C. Oh, wait, that's all. Yay. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm done with this green one. And that is gonna be... Guys, as I'm editing this, I forgot about the transition, so we're just like not gonna mind that, alright? Now I'm gonna do the next one. Let's do transition. 3, 2, 1. All done with this one. Wait, that transition literally sucked. Like, look at this. 3, 2, 1. What was that? We're just like not gonna mind that again, alright? Just like, please don't. Alright, by the way, I'm sorry for like interrupting the video, but like by the way, the parts of like that pink keyboard over there got deleted, so that's why you don't like see any of the parts, so yeah. Alright guys, it's the next day, but this is the last piece to the blue keyboard, and I have to be kind of quiet because like some people are sleeping in my house right now. Alright, we're all done with this one. Now we just gotta do this one, the gray. So let's go do it. I'm gonna save the space bar for last, because save the best for last. Okay, R is over here. J. And I just woke up. So that's why like my voice is kind of like you know. I would do a live stream on the summer update, but I'm not allowed to, so yeah. So I'm just gonna do video. Is right there, U, Z, oopsies, Z, and L. Alright, that last piece over there is the X, and just the space. Alright, I got the X. Let's go put this down. And then last but not least, the space bar. So, there we go. Wait. Yes, we're all finished with all the keyboards. This is some ASMR. Alright, we're not gonna mind the appetizer I had. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed.